Oh, where'd my key go?
Dude, we're gonna be cruising around the Worthing compound.
Why is it leaning so hard?
It is leaning this way every time I look at it. I noticed that yesterday. Maybe it'll smash the top of the S10.
I don't know.
We're sure we're gonna try.
I don't have brakes. We have a big ass hill.
Put her down in low gear.
I don't know. Where's your driveway?
What is going on?
I don't know. It popped out. My leg hit it or something. I gotta fix this seat.
Take a left right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right here. This will be my driveway eventually.
Where to? Up to the top of your hill?
It'll go all the way around. I'll show you.
Just keep going this way?
That way. Well, this will all be cut out. Hopefully those logs aren't too big. They shouldn't be.
That's a big hill.
Yeah, it is.
That's a big log.
Yeah, it is. You should be able to make it around, shouldn't you?
Or I can go that way.
Yeah, you can go that way. I mean, you can try the log.
That's a big log.
It might just push it over. See what we can do.
Oh, it broke in half.
What did the log?
The log?
Keep going. I bet you can make it, Jimmy. Might have to get a little speed on it.
That's a cooler. Straight?
Yeah, straight.
Is there a big hill on the other side?
No. You gotta take a right at that tree. All these trees are gonna be cut out. It's gonna loop this way and right out here.
What's that way?
That's that horse barn over there.
Oh. That Devin will like that.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Now where's your property? Straight?
Just go straight to those pine trees and then cut on the left. Go this way.
I've never heard that noise before.
See this log pile? See if you can get up on it.
Log pile?
I got a couple log piles. You can try to climb.
I'm gonna just hit it. Oh. Oh. Oh.
It went up a bit.
Good thing there's a little log right here to help. Oh.
Oh shit.
We're fucking
Picture of it?
Huh?
Take a picture of it. Huh? Oh my god. Wheeling. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Jeep crawled right at the logs back. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. Try to flex it. Just try to get up on that stump.
You got concrete over there?
Concrete or that stump. It ain't grabbing. Now that one's good. Bust your gas ain't doing that. Oh yeah.
Oh shit! I have brakes.
Turn that way. Oh yeah. She went right over it, dude.
Stop. Oh.
Try the back door so I'll get out and record it.
What's that noise?
That spin. Yeah. That tire spinning, this one's not. Yeah, you gotta get more centered. You're not centered. You gotta kind of center them in. If you stay on the bed rails, I think you'll be able to get up on top.
Really?
Yeah.
Right?
Huh? Oh. You're hooked on the freaking axles on the dam. You have to go forward and floor it. Jeez. Your axle is hooked on the fender well.
Get more.
Yeah. I'll take a picture of it. That's pretty funny. Hey, you ever put a Jeep in the back of an S10?
Now I have. Had 12 valve in the back one.
Four-wheel jobby. You can go to the log.
Maybe.
Make sure it starts recording. That one start recording, Jimmy? Hold on.
Yeah.
Did it?
Oh my God, are you serious right now? Oh my God, are you serious right now? Did you get that?
Yes, I got that. Yeah, I got it.
Oh my God.
Your spacer broke.
Oh, dude.
Your spacer.
Studs broke off.
Did they? There's a nuts pulled out. I don't know.
Dude, them nuts was cheap as like. I put them on the strip out.
You told me you only had three studs on
Well, I
there.
got 3 nuts on this.
You started doing donuts.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. He about flipped it. Yeah. You're drunk with your brakes.
What is that?
There we go. Keep going.
How close am I in?
The bumper hit the cab real hard.
Tire pop.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, man. I came out that way too long.
Come on, Jimmy.
Hold on, my leg's not. We're gonna die.
We're going to the house.
Dude,
Maybe after a donut.
I fucked something up in the back.
I think you did too. It don't sound very good.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Dude, something definitely is messed up.
Whoa! Yeah.
Oh, Jimmy, you alright?
Fucking shoe!
Holy fuck, are you guys alright? Yeah. Oh shit.
Fucking arm.
Oh fuck, dude. Fucking god.
Everywhere.
Dude, it's leaking out. Oh my god. Dude, you alright?
Get my arm fucked.
Oh my God.
You fucking fell.
Dude. I'm shaking like a leaf. Oh my god, dude. You alright?
Dude, my arm.
Dude, that was a horrible idea.
My wrist.
Dude, my head. My head.
No.
Dude. Are you alright?
My fucking wrist is killing me. You fucking, your knee? Good? You bleeding?
I don't know, dude. Are you guys alright?
Dude,
Yes.
that bitch.
Yes! Ah, fucking.
Holy fuck, dude. Dude, oh. Yeah, he is, dude.
Dude, you're gonna be pissed.
We gotta flip it over, like, right now. Put it on the action.
I think we might have to take Max to the hospital too.
I know.
Huh?
What?
Keep going! Keep going!
Go! Stop! Oh, we want horror.
God, see, that's on Max's side. Fucking.
Dude, this is fucking screwed. Holy fuck, bud.
I only know one thing. Chop, chop, chop.
Pull over there. We need to take him to the
Yeah.
hospital.
Too. I think you all need to get it.
All right, boys. Flip the Jeep. Gotta take Max to the hospital real quick. He might have broke his wrist or something. We don't know. So we'll catch you back later. Damn, dude.
Is this
Cut the top off.
Is this supposed to be like a wheeler?
Cut the top off.
Cut the top off now. Good think it has a top. Jesus Christ. Hey, the only one that got hurt is this guy right here.
See, you can still recording this shit?
I have to.
You have to.
I have to.
Hey, this video looking.
Max will enjoy it later.
Huh?
Max will enjoy it later.
I don't know if he will.
He's gonna.
Dude, I was sitting in that room, bored as shit.
Show me the damage.
You can't jerk off now.
No, dude, right hand.
I thought it was the other hand.
My left hand.
He had to land on it.
I don't know.
Did you watch the video?
Yeah.
We watched it several times.
They kept asking me like 80 million questions, dude. It pissed me off.
Did you tell him what happened?
I told them to roll it side by side. It sounded more logical.
Yeah, then a
If I said roll
vehicle.
a Jeep, they'd be like, well, where's the cop? You need to get an ambulance right here or some shit. I'm like, I'm not dealing with that.
Side by side. Fucking Jeeps. Jeeps are borderline